What is it?
You're getting good at this.
Fred.
What is it, Bud? Wait, can Grandpa have a turn?
Can I have a turn?
Can Grandpa have a turn?
Oh, thank you. What is that? Crab?
Green, let's turn it over.
Okay, alright.
Jellyfish?
Green
Green
fish.
fish?
No, it's
No.
a crab. We're looking for a crab.
Yeah. Nope.
Oh, that one, try that one.
There's only one left. It must be. Yay! What is that? Crab? A match.
Same kind.
Grandma's turn?
What about Mummy's turn?
My turn.
Should I take a turn? Alright, which card should I get? That one? Green fish. You know where the other green fish is? You do know where the other green fish is.